Hey guys, this is Immortal Technique, and today I'm doing a song review, and oh my god, I don't know what to say, but oh my god, MGK, the bars that you dropped on this song against Eminem, Rap Devil, holy shit. And this is a beef that's been going on the last couple days. M dropped a new CD called Kamikaze, and dropped a song, Not Alike, that was directed towards MGK's. Probably you guys have all heard this, so I'm not going to go over it, but the song I'm doing is Rap Devil. Let's get into this and check the song out. Let me know what you guys think of this, and who do you think is better, MGK or Eminem? Like, it's a toss-up, man. I'm a huge Eminem fan. I've been an Eminem fan forever.
Dad's always mad, cooped up in the studio, yelling at the mic. You sober and bored, huh? I know. About to be 46 years old, dog. Talking about, I'ma call a trick. Man, you sound like a bitch. Man, I can handle your shit. Mad about something I said in 2012. Took you 6 years and a surprise album just to come with a diss. Homie, we get it. We know that you're the greatest rapper alive. Fucking dweeb, all you do is read the dictionary and stay inside. Fuck rap god, I'm the rap devil. Come on.
Fuck rap god, I'm the rap devil? Holy fuck, are you MGK? Like, I don't know, man. He is a rap god, and he's been a rap god, fuck, for years. I mean, his last CD, Revival, not all that good. And his new CD, Kamikaze, holy shit, he came back. Slim Shady is back, folks. And he's coming to tear shit up. But MGK, man, like, I'm a huge fan of yours as well, so it's a good toss-up. And I can't wait to see Eminem's retaliation.
Face with a black shovel like the Armageddon. When the smoke settle, his body next to this instrumental. I'm saying, I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny ass, let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it. All of us single dads from the Midwest, we can talk about it. Or we can get really, I'll size up your body and put some white chalk around it. Let's talk about the fact you actually blackball a rapper that's twice as young as you. Let's call Sway, ask why I can't go up to Shake 45 because of you. Let's ask Interscope how you had Paul Rosenberg trying to shelf me.
And M's been always trying to get, MGK's been trying to get into Shady 45s, and M just wouldn't have it. And as you just heard, like, crazy.
Still can't cover up the facts. The last 4 albums is bad as a selfie. Now tell me, what are you staying for? What? I know you can't stand yourself. Trying to be the old you so bad, you stand yourself out. Let's leave all the beef in the 50. Please, M, push the 50. Why you claiming I'ma call Puff when you the one that called Diddy back? Then you went and called Jimmy back. The cops called me in the morning. They told me you mad about a tweet. You wanted me to say sorry. I swear to God I ain't believe it. Please say it ain't so. The big bad bully of the rap game can't take a fucking joke. Oh, you want some
fuck, eh? Holy shit.
Yeah, I'll acknowledge you to go, but I'm the gunner, bitch. I got you in the scope.
He is a gunner.
Somebody help your man's up. Knees weak or old age. The real Slim Shady can't stand.
Oh shit! I gotta pause that. The real Slim Shady can't stand up. What? As if he just said that. Old knees are weak, can't stand up. Fuck. I mean, come on, man. That's pretty low. That's his first hit. Like.
Being rich and you still mad, let's talk about it.
And the fact that MGK came back with this and 3 days later it took M 6 years to diss him on a song, like.
I know your ego is hurting just knowing that all of your fans discovered me. Like, damn, you're younger than me. Except your dress is better and I'm ugly, always making fun of me. Stop all the thuggery, Marshall, you living in luxury. Look what you done to me, drop an album just because of me. Damn, you in love with me. You got money, but I'm hungry.
Oh, fuck.
You won't say them lyrics out in front of me. Shout out to every rapper that's a fun of me. Know that I'll never do you like this fuckery. Still bitter after everyone loves you. Pull that wedgie after dungarees. I gotta respect the OGs, and I know most of them personally. Hey, but you just a bully acting like a baby, so I gotta read you a nursery. I'm the ghost of the future.
I gotta read you a nursery. Fuck me, man.
Anyone can get it. I ain't know it would be you. I'm sick of them sweatsuits and them corny ass. Let's talk about it. I'm sick of you being rich and you still mad. Let's talk about it.
Fuck me, man. That's a mean chorus too. Fuck yeah. Way to go, MGK. Hats off to you guys. Hats off to you, man, because you're the only one who came back with a retaliation. All the other rappers are too fucking scared to say shit, and you came back strong.
We know you get nervous, rabbit. I see mama spaghetti all over your sweater. I wish you would lose yourself in the record that you made a decade ago. They were better. According to them, you're a national treasure. To me, you're a soft as a feather. The type to be scared to ask Rihanna for a number. Just hold her umbrella, Ella. I'm not afraid. Okay,
I'm not afraid. That was a huge hit song too. Fuck.
They made a movie about you. When every everybody's top 10. And I get better with time, it's fine. Eminem, put down a pen.
Oh, shit, son.
I am the prodigy, how could I even look up to you? You ain't as tall as me. 5'8".
Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Do you think Eminem's gonna tear MGK apart, or what? Do you think this is gonna be the end of his career? I don't know. I don't think so. I mean, there's a lot of people that like MGK, and there's a lot of MGK fans out there, especially in Cleveland, his hometown, man.
Text me to Addy, I'm pulling up scraps, and I'm by my fucking self. What's happening? He has to cap to salute me, assure me that's what he's gonna have to do to me when he realizes that it ain't shit he can do to me. Everybody always hated me. This isn't anything new to me. Yeah, there's a difference between us. I got all of my shit without Drake producing me.
Oh shit!
Usually one of your disses should ruin me. But bitch, I'm from Cleveland, everybody quiet to see.
But you got Puff, man. I prefer Dre.
So that means to kill him. Already fucked one rapper girl this week. Don't make me call Kim.
Oh shit, son. So there you have it. Like, that's the end of the verse 4. Like, whew. Fuck. I don't know what to say about that. Hats off to MGK though, man. You fucking hit some fucking bars. Listen to that shit. Don't forget to subscribe and like that. And hope you guys all like this. Let me know in the comments, who do you think would win in a freestyle? MGK or Eminem?